Hi everyone, welcome to Nancy's Mediterranean Kitchen. Today I'm going to make a different dish, a new dish that I actually created because I wanted to make a moussaka, but not the traditional way. I wanted to make it low carb. So I replaced the potatoes and the bechamel with just layers of eggplant, meat sauce, and mozzarella with some Italian touches like basil. So let's start. I will start by preparing the meat sauce. I have 1 chopped onion here, and I will fry it in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Wait until it changes colors, and then I'm going to add the meat. In the meantime, I have my eggplant, and I put salt on it. If you watched my episode of Moussaka, you will see that I did the same thing by cutting the eggplant. This is 1 eggplant. I added some salt on it, and I left it to collect all the water in this plate. So it's in a sieve, and this plate underneath collected all the water. I dried it with a paper towel. So I'm just sauteing the eggplant and not deep frying. That's why I didn't add a lot of olive oil. Okay, so now I'm going to add the meat. I'm going to mix with the onions. Fry them together a little bit. Now I'm going to add tomato sauce. These are 2 cups of fresh tomato sauce that I made. You can watch my episode of the moussaka and you will see how I made it. I can also post a link below on how to make fresh tomato sauce. I used here 4 Roma tomatoes, and I added a teaspoon of tomato paste. Now I'm going to put some basil leaves. I have like 5 to 6 leaves. I'm going to cut them by hand so that it's more aromatic. And then I'm going to add some salt, some pepper, and let them just boil for 1 or 2 minutes and then turn off the stove. I will start assembling the eggplant parmigiana. So I will start by 1 layer of eggplant. Then I'm going to add a layer of meat sauce. Then I'm going to add a layer of fresh mozzarella, sliced. Then another layer of eggplant. You can make a double layer of eggplant, no problem. Now I'm going to add another layer of meat sauce. Another layer of mozzarella cheese. Now I'm going to add Pecorino Romano cheese. You can also add Parmesan cheese. Now my pan is ready to bake on 350 degrees Fahrenheit for half an hour or 45 minutes or until the mozzarella cheese melts. My Italian version of moussaka is now ready. As you see, it took half an hour in the oven, and then I added 2 minutes of broiling. It looks amazing. I'm going to cut a piece and show it to you. This is when the Italian moussaka and the Greek moussaka meet together, and that's the light version of moussaka. Eggplant, meat sauce with mozzarella, cheesy mozzarella. Thank you so much for watching my episode today. I hope you try the low-carb moussaka and let me know in the comments below. See you next time.